Welcome back to Broken Broke Garage, and today we're going to see if we can't get the Mustang started. It needs injector seals and battery cables and a new battery, which we got everything. So I'm just going to take the injector seals. It only needs them on the driver's side. I already got one on there, but we'll get another one on there real quick. Oh, it should still be good. But clean that off, and then I just put a little bit of oil on them, just so that they slide on easily and don't rip. We'll just slide that right on one of the injectors. Just like that. I'll do the other two, because I already got one on there, and then we'll start on the battery. We got the ground cable ready to go. Just gotta find the size for it. Oh, I already got it. Never mind. These cables are kind of junk, these ground cables and power cable. I'm gonna have to get new ones, but I'm not really too worried about it right now. Just trying to get the run and get up so where I can move it around, because I'm going to wind up putting the battery in the trunk. That makes sense, where the spare tire goes, just to clean up the engine bay. But yeah, pretty much I just got to tighten this down, which that's the wrong size. I thought it was the right size. My bad. But yeah, just tighten this down, and then I'll get the power cable on it, and we'll be good to go. Alright, so we're going to throw the battery in it. We got the one with the go handle on it right here. We can, like Vice Grip would say. Kind of funny. I like Vice Grip if you guys watch him. Take this thing off. Yeah, I got this one up at Walmart for 50 bucks. Cheapest one they had. Because, you know, we're going to be moving it around into different cars. I'm not going to tighten it up. I'm just going to push them on there because I don't want to ruin these cables, because I'm going to be taking them off. Well, we got power. It's in theft mode. Let me get it out of theft mode, and then we'll try to start it up. First cold start in about 4 months of sitting. Let's see how it runs. It's only about 45 out today. It was 28 degrees this morning. See what happens. Feels a little different than I remember. But she's back out. I take it easy through the yard. Yeah, idle's hanging a lot. What do you think, Travis? You like it still?
Yeah.
Travis said we should sell it.
I didn't say that.
I know. He said he seen one on Marketplace like mine, and I said, do you think it's mine? He said, no, I know you want to sell it. Heck yeah. Let's just park it right here for now, and then I'll get those stickers to put on it. There you guys go. That's the sticker we put on it. Ford Performance and a Broken Broke Garage sticker for the YouTube channel. Those are the two stickers my brother got for me. Now, I tried to get the Eclipse running too, but the battery I got for that is junk. So I'm going to put this battery in it for now, move this around, get some pictures of the cars, and probably go in for the day. But please like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for more. See you guys for the next one.